Want to activate your Straight Talk SIM card? In this video, I'll show you the complete activation process step by step, including how to activate your SIM and connect your phone to the Straight Talk network. Before you begin, make sure you have your Straight Talk SIM card, a compatible phone, and your activation information or service plan ready. Now wait while Straight Talk processes your activation. This can take a little time, so keep your phone powered on and follow any instructions provided. You can choose to get a new Straight Talk number or transfer your existing number from another carrier. Now enter the information requested during the activation process. This may include your SIM card details, phone number, or other device information. Carefully check the information before continuing. Next, select or enter your Straight Talk service plan. Review the available options and follow the instructions displayed on the activation page. After submitting your information, Straight Talk will process the activation. The process may take some time, so keep your phone powered on and follow any instructions provided during activation. Once the activation process is complete, restart your phone. After it powers back on, wait a few moments for the cellular network to connect. Now turn off Wi-Fi and test your mobile data. Try opening a website or another online service. If your phone connects to the Straight Talk network and mobile data works, your SIM activation is complete. If your SIM isn't working, restart your phone and make sure the SIM card is inserted correctly. Also check that your device is compatible with Straight Talk, and if you're bringing your own phone, and that's how you activate a Straight Talk SIM card. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and notifications for more SIM card, eSIM, and mobile network tutorials.